extremely lucky that no cars were coming from the other lane. Don't you hate when people do this? It's bad enough if you're in a car and this happens, but if you're on a motorcycle, then that's definitely a scary sight.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I got you, I got you, I got you. You good? I got you, I got you, I got you. Oh. So just sit down, bro. Just sit down. You're good, you're good. I got the bike.
The rider was okay, but the bike ended up being totaled by their insurance company. Keep your eyes on the rider up ahead. Tail of the Dragon is one of the most common places where riders go down, with all the twists and turns. And that's what happened to this rider.
You okay? You good?
This was a really bad situation and one of the biggest fears of riding a motorcycle, car cutting you off. Now, as bad as this one looked, it could have been much worse.
I call 911. Don't move, brother. Stay right there. Right there, man. Yeah, I got a bike accident, motorcycle accident on.
Everybody else is good?
You what?
Everybody else is good?
Man. We're always thinking about you. I'm on battlefield, Campbell.
You're good?
I'm fine, man. I'm so sorry.
Oh, hey, we're human, aren't we?
Can't see if I'm coming down the road at all.
No problem. It's dark out. I get it. We're human.
So happy you're alright, man.
It's a scary situation for sure, but hey, we're all good.
Alright, now keep your eyes on that red car. I don't know if he just didn't see the biker or just flat out didn't care, but this is what he did.
Whoa! An idiot! Me!
When it comes to lane splitting, a lot of riders do it because it gets you to where you want to be faster, and it also kind of prevents cars hitting you from behind. And that's exactly what these riders were doing. They're trying to get a little bit further up ahead in a safer way, but unfortunately, lane filtering can be risky too.
I guess I'm lane splitting again. I forgot that I figure why sit there. Oh.
I have the right to find it.
Tough, brother. I had my camera on too.
Huh?
Huh?
I had this camera on too.
All right, cool.
So.
You alright?
Yeah.
What happened?
I passed you sideways.
Just locked up and just kept going. He couldn't get any traction.
You alright? Yeah.
Oh, so you lost it way back there.
Huh? Yeah, I was on the side of the road over here.
Now, if this place looks familiar, it's because it's Tail of the Dragon once again. So we have another rider that crashed here.
Oh,
Not sure exactly what caused this crash. What we do know is that he might have been a newer rider, a little bit inexperienced, and he might have been going a little too fast for his skill level. What do you guys think?
You good, man? That looked rough from back there. It looked like you bounced.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Just
Let me get it up on the road so I can.
just pull off and take a minute, man. Woo!
My legs are just toast and my neck muscles are... What is this? No way. Is this this? This is the same corner. No way, dude. This is the same corner. There's a helmet on the ground. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, buddy. Are you okay? I'm fine. Okay. Where is the bike? All the way down there? Where did you come through? I don't even... Fucking hell, man. How far down is it? Jesus Christ. Oh my god, dude. How are we gonna get that back up? Alright. How far did you get down physically yourself? Thank God. Can you imagine? Is it toast?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It rolled and then hit that log and then rolled.
Dude, at least you weren't on it. Holy shit. But it hit that tree first. Damn. It just ping-ponged all the way down.
You've ruined my whole day. Get him up, get him up. Oh, no, leave him. Don't touch 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 him.
Call police.
I'm calling.
Calling?
Yeah.
Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Leave his head.
Get away. There's gas. There's gas behind us.
Ricky from his bike. Leave.
This accident happened so quick, there was no way for the biker to avoid it. And it's hard to believe that the driver did not see the rider. Somehow the biker escaped with only a small angle fracture.
Because right now I can't record at night because I'm gonna lose my license, you know? I almost lost my license.
I guess some people just really hate bikers. This rider didn't do anything to this lady, and she was still angry enough to chase him down and pull him over.
Just riding.
Mr. Big Bad on your motorcycle.
I I'm sorry I scared you. I'm sorry. Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. Jesus. Am I good to go through?
Now this rider had a really close call. Was it due to the high speed, or was the driver not paying attention when switching lanes? Or maybe a bit of both. What do you guys think?
Filha da puta!